Part 1. Connect to a wireless router. Step 1. Connect admin to WR. Connect admin to WR using a straight-through Ethernet cable through the Ethernet ports. Serial connections represented by a lighting bolt from the bottom left side of the packet tracer. Click upper straight through, represented by a solid black line. As Ethernet 0, WR, Gigabit Ethernet 1. When the cursor changes to connection node, click admin and method and click WR to choose the available Ethernet port to connect the other end of the cable. WR will switch to the device connected to the LAN and the router to the Internet. Admin is now connected to the LAN, Gigabit Ethernet 1. When packet tracer displays green triangles on both sides of the connection between admin and WR, continue to the next step. Note, if no green triangles are shown, make sure to enable show link lights under options or preferences. You may also click fast forward time just above the connection selection box in the yellow bar. Step 2. Configure admin to use DHCP. To reach the WR management page, admin must communicate on the network. A wireless router usually includes a DHCP server, and DHCP server is usually enabled by default on the LAN. Admin will receive IP address information from the DHCP server on WR. Click admin and select the desktop tab. Admin, then go to desktop tab. After that is click IP configuration and select DHCP. Go to desktop tab. Then IP configuration. We're going to select DHCP. What is the IP address of the computer? So that are the questions. What is the subnet mask of the computer? What is the default gateway of the computer? And then close the IP configuration window after that. Note values are very within the network range due to the normal DHCP operation. Step 3. Connect to a WR web interface. In the desktop tab on admin, choose web browser. Now let's go to admin. Then web browser. After that, enter 192.168.0.1 in the URL. And then after that is type the admin for the username and the password is Cisco. This is the URL. Under the network setup heading on the basic setup page, notice the IP address range for the DHCP server. Is the IP address for admin within this range? Is it expected? Explain your answer, that is the question. So that is the IP address 192.168.0.1. Step 4. Configure the internet port of WR. This step, WR is configured to route the packets from the wireless client to internet. You will configure the internet port on WR to connect the internet. Under the internet setup, on the top of the basic setup page, change the internet IP address method from automatic configuration. DHCP is to static IP. Static IP. After that is type the IP address to be assigned to the internet interfaces as follows. Internet IP address, the subnet mask, default gateway, and DNS server. For internet IP address is 209.165.200.225. Then for subnet mask is 255, 255, 255, and 252 prefix. Then default gateway 209.165.200.226. And then for DNS server 209.165.201.1. After that, scroll down the page and click Save Settings. We're going to save it. Okay, so save settings. Note if you get a request timeout message, close the admin window and wait for the orange lights to turn into green triangles. Click the fast forward button to make this happen faster, then reconnect to WR admin's browser using the process explained in step 3. As you can see, we have green triangles. And to verify connectivity, open your web browser and navigate to www.cisco.pka server. Web browser, then type www.cisco.pka to verify the connectivity. And go. So Cisco Packet Tracer. Welcome Cisco Packet Tracer. So it is connected to the server. Part 2. Configure the wireless settings. In this activity, you will only configure the wireless settings for 2.4 GHz. Step 1. Configure the WR SSID. Navigate to the WR GUI interface at 192.168.0.1 in a web browser on admin. Authorization, username admin, password Cisco. Okay. Navigate to wireless, basic wireless settings. Change the network name SSID to a company for only 2.4 GHz. Notice that SSIDs are case sensitive. Then change the standard channel to 6 to 2.4 437 GHz. For this activity, disable both 5 GHz frequencies, leave the rest of the settings unchanged. So we're going to disable it. Disabled. And the other 5 GHz one disabled. And after that, scroll to the bottom of the window and click Save Settings to save our adjustments. Step 2. Configure wireless security settings. In this step, you configure the wireless security setting using WPA2 security mode with encryption and passphrase. Navigate to wireless security. Under the 2.4 GHz heading, select WPA2 personal for the security mode. Change it into WPA2 personal. For encryption, keep the default AES setting. In the passphrase field, enter Cisco 123 exclamation point as the passphrase. And click Save Settings. Step 3. Connect the wireless client. Open Laptop 1, select Desktop tab, click PC Wireless. PC Wireless, click that in order to connect the wireless laptop. So let's go to connect a company and then type the pre-shared key Cisco 123 exclamatory point. Then close the PC wireless window. Open a web browser and verify that you can navigate to www.cisco.pka server. Go to web browser and then www.cisco.pka to verify or navigate the server. Okay, good. And then let's do it with the laptop too. The same procedure. Let's go to PC wireless and then connect. And then let's click a company and let's put the passphrase Cisco 123 exclamatory point. Then connect. After that, we will open a web browser to verify if we are connected to the server. www.cisco.pka and go. So we are connected to the server. Part 3. Connect wireless clients to an access point. An access point or AP is a device that extends the wireless local area network. An access point is connected to a wired router using an Ethernet cable to project the signal to a desired location. Step 1. Configure the access point. Connect port 02 of AP to an available Ethernet. If port of WR uses straight through Ethernet cable for the AP to WR. For AP, port 0. For WR, Gigabit Ethernet 2 because one is connected to the other end device. That is the admin. So let's go to AP and select the config tab. Then under the interface heading, select port 1. In the SSID field, enter A company. And after that, we're going to select WPA2.psk and enter the passphrase Cisco 123 exclamatory point in the passphrase field. And then keep AES as the default encryption type. After that, connect the wireless client, open laptop 3, select desktop tab, click PC wireless. Select the connect tab, click refresh as this is already select the wireless network. Name a company with the strongest signal channel 1 and click connect. We're going to PC wireless and then connect. And then a company that is or that has a strongest signal. We're going to select the A company 97% and then connect to that. And let's put the pre-shared key, the Cisco 123 exclamatory point, and then connect. And after that, open a web server and verify that you can navigate to www.cisco.pka server. So let's open the web browser. After that, we're going to input the www.cisco.pka server as to connect to the server. Then go. So laptop 3 is also connected to the server. Then part 4, other administrative tasks. Step 1, change the WR access password. So we're going to change the access password. On admin, navigate to WR GUI interface at 192.168.0.1. Admin, and then that's it. Navigate to administration, management, and change the current router password to Cisco. So here it is. Now we're going to change the password. Let's change it into Cisco. And then we enter the confirm password, Cisco. Scroll to the bottom of the window and click Save Settings to save our adjustments. Then after that, authorization, and then username, admin, password is Cisco, and then OK. So settings are successful. So we are successful in making or changing our password. Then now change the DHCP address in range in WR. In this step, you will change the internet network address from 192.168.0.0/24 to 192.168.50.0/24. When the LAN network address changes, the IP address on the devices in the LAN and WLAN must be renewed to receive new IP addresses before the lease is timed out. Navigate to setup and then basic setup. Go to setup and then navigate setup or basic setup. Scroll down the page to network setup. Network setup. The IP address assigned to router IP is 192.168.0.1. So we're going to change it into 192.168.50.1. Then if to verify that IP address still start at 100 and then there are 50 available IP address in the HCP pool. Add 209.165.201.1 as the DNS server with the DHCP settings. 165.201.1. Then scroll down and save settings. Note that each CP range of addresses has been automatically updated to reflect the interface IP address change. The web browser will display a request timeout after a short time. So we're going to put the new IP address. Input 192.168.50.1, the new IP address. And then authorization, username, admin, password is Cisco. OK. Input 192.168.50.1, the new IP address. You can see that is the new IP address. Then close the admin web browser. In admin desktop, click command prompt, and then type ipconfig/renew. To force the admin reacquire its IP information by DHCP. Verify that you can still navigate to www.cisco.pka server. So let's go to web browser, and then let's type www.cisco.pka in order to verify if we can still navigate the server. Successful, we can navigate the server. Then renew the IP address on other laptops to verify that you can still navigate to www.cisco.pk server. So ipconfig/renew. So that is the new IP address. Then let's go to a browser. So www.cisco.pka. So laptop 1 is connected also to the server. Then let's do it for laptop 2. Let's go to command prompt, ipconfig/renew. So that is the new IP address for laptop 2. Then let's go to web browser. Type www.cisco.pka to verify if it is connected to the server, and it is connected to the server. And let's do it with laptop 3. Command prompt, type ipconfig/renew. And then that is the new IP address for laptop 3. Then let's go to web browser, www.cisco.pka, in order to verify the server. Okay, it is connected to the server. Laptop 3 is connected to the server. Then notice that laptop 1 is connected to the AP instead of WR. Why? Because AP has the strong signal for internet.